Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I miss you guys so much. I know it has been a while, but today I am back with an amazing easy recipe for you guys for this winter. I know there's a lot of flu and stuff going around, and this soup right here is my favorite for this winter, and I'm sure you guys are going to love it. It is my amazing salmon soup. All right. So to prepare this soup, I would have already washed and cleaned my salmon, and I am going to cut this in some big chunks. The reason I'm doing this is because I'm going to sear this. I mean, if you want to do it raw, you sure can. All right, but I just like to put a good sear on the outside of my salmon. So we are going to season this, and I'm using house green seasoning, smoked sea salt, some onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, smoked paprika, or you can season this to your likeness and taste. I'm gonna let this sit in the marinade for a minute, and I am going to show you the rest of the ingredients that I'm going to use. Pretty simple. I do have my carrots, my onions, celery, pepper, ginger, garlic, and I'm using Eddoes. In my country, we call them Eddoes. And I'm using some spinach and some potato dumpling. Everything that I'm using here, you guys are going to find in the description box. So I added some oil to my pan, and I am going to pan sear the salmon. Now, I'm not going to overcook the salmon, so it's just going to be about maybe a minute and a half on each side, and then I'm going to remove. Now, all that good residue there, we are going to add a little bit more oil, add the onions, the ginger, the celery, the garlic, and we are going to stir that. Make sure to bring all that goodness back into the pot. All right, then we're going in with our Eddoes, or some people call them coco. Yeah, you can find those at Publix or the Mexican supermarket. After about 3 to 4 minutes, then you're going to add your stock and give that a good stir. Now, as you can see, this is our pan-seared salmon, and it is undercooked. All right, the rest of the cooking process will be done in the soup. Our soup is looking amazing. Then we're going in with our spinach. Add our potato dumplings, I call them. Then I'm adding 1 pack of that Linton soup mix. Then I'm going in. Now right here, guys, you can taste and adjust your soup to your likeness and taste. All right, I did add 1 habanero pepper. Really not spicy, but it's good for me. You guys can omit the pepper. So I chunked the salmon up, and I am going to add this to my soup after about 20 minutes. Now the rest of the cooking process with the salmon and the soup only going to take about an additional 5 to 6 minutes. You can see all that rich goodness. I just can't wait for y'all to try this one. All right, if you guys are new here for the first time, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment. Thank you guys for watching. Love y'all.